Today, I'll walk you through how to see if you have been added to a private story on Snapchat, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to check for private stories so you can stay updated on your friends' exclusive content. Let's dive right in. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core features remain the same across updates. Once you have the app open, look for the Stories section. This is typically found on the main screen where you can see various stories from your friends. Click on Stories to proceed. This will take you to a list of stories shared by your friends. Next, click on your friend's profile to see the posted story. You can do this by tapping on their name or their Bitmoji. This action will lead you to their personal story feed where you can view their latest snaps. Now here's the key part. Check for a profile with a circle that has a padlock icon. This padlock symbol indicates that your friend has shared a story that is private. Only selected friends can view this content, which means you may have been added to their private story. If you see that lock icon, it confirms that you are included in that exclusive circle. This is similar to being invited to a private event. Only a select group gets to participate and see what's happening. In summary, to see if you have been added to a private story on Snapchat, simply open the app, click on Stories, select your friend's profile, and look for the padlock icon. If you see it, congratulations, you're part of their private story. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.